Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by confirming the essentials so notifications can actually arrive. Open TikTok, tap your profile, then the menu and settings and privacy. Enable notifications and push options. Once done, make sure your phone system notifications are allowed for TikTok. Go to Settings app's TikTok notifications and toggle on. You're doing this first because app-level permissions won't work if the OS blocks alerts, and vice versa, so both layers must be active before moving on. Next, refine what actually notifies you so your phone only pings for what matters. In Settings and Privacy, open notifications and toggle comments, mentions, likes, follows, messages, and live alerts individually. Once done, review sound and vibration settings to match your preference. Silence unwanted types to reduce noise. Make sure you're signed into one main device or sync account settings. Multiple devices can cause duplicate or missing alerts. Do this to target the app's behavior and avoid notification clutter. Finish by eliminating common external blockers so notifications reliably arrive. Update TikTok and your operating system, then clear the app cache. This rebuilds notification tokens. If problems continue, log out and back in or reinstall TikTok to refresh credentials. Also inspect battery saver, background app refresh, and any ad blocker or VPN that may intercept push services. If you still don't get alerts, restart the phone and recheck permissions. That often
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.